A local school is trying to end the stigma on topics related to childhood trauma that can be uncomfortable to talk about. According to the Zero Abuse Project, Indiana's child abuse rate is 2 times the national average, and one local county is #1 in our region.
Yeah, a teacher at Washington High School started the Stigma Stoppers. It's in hopes of shedding light on topics such as child abuse and substance addiction. Shelby Riley spoke with the organizer and others about how they're trying to combat the issue.
To look past the stigma and lead with compassion.
Janelle Council, an art teacher at Washington High School, started the Stigma Stoppers Club just this year.
It is a pressing issue, and it's also personal because I know and I love people that have struggled with substance, disorder, and so it's just very close to my heart and something that I want to see a change in our community.
She says the goal of the club is to help end the stigma of substance abuse, childhood trauma, and mental health, all subjects that she says can sometimes be hard to talk about. Council says she and members of the club have open conversations about these topics, but they wanted to do something bigger to open doors to the community. This led her to create the event Stop Judging, Start Healing, which is open to the public and will happen at the end of the month at the high school.
We have peer coach recoveries coming in to do a Q&A. We have Dr. Council coming who will talk about ACEs, and then we have 2 other people that are going to talk just about their personal stories with struggling with substance disorder. And our hope is that we can educate the community on how childhood trauma, ACEs, mental health all fall together in the same category of substance disorder.
According to a report put out by the Department of Child Services in August, Daviess County ranks the worst in our region for child abuse cases. Dr. Tyler Council with the Zero Abuse Project will be speaking at the event. He says the Zero Abuse Project aims to end child abuse and neglect in all of its forms, so this event seemed like the perfect opportunity to further spread the word.
We actually at Zero Abuse Project work on training and education on obviously child maltreatment. So when we're talking about stopping stigma, we're talking about ending the situations where, quite frankly, our society at large and our communities in general are uncomfortable about talking about these kinds of pressing social issues.
Dr. Council also says that the state of Indiana is 29th in the United States for child abuse for the 3rd consecutive year. He says he hopes an event like this will help kickstart the conversations that need to be had to end the stigma.
We're really trying to get people to be comfortable with those uncomfortable conversations, to really empower and educate them on what ACEs looks like within their family, within their relationships, and to really help them understand what they are and how we can prevent those and mitigate those so that our children can have a happy, healthy, and productive life and grow up to be mature, productive adults.
And the event Stop Judging, Start Healing will be at Washington High School on October 26th. Doors open at 6. It starts at 6:30 p.m. It is free and open to the public. An investigation underway into an overnight arson fire in Terre Haute, according to Terre Haute Fire Chief